Now I'm going to be making something that I know quite a few people have problems with. They're either too crumbly or too hard, and that is flapjacks. I'm making fruity flapjacks. So in my saucepan I have equal amounts of golden syrup, sugar and butter. I'm just going to put them over a medium heat and let them melt together. So let's put that on. Just going to leave them to do their thing. I've got the oven preheated to 150°. I have got a 20cm pan greased and ready, and in here I have 350 grams of oats, to which I have added a couple of spoonfuls of fruit. I've used sultanas because that's what I have a lot of. You don't have to add the fruit, you could add nuts, you could add chocolate, you don't have to add anything, you can just leave it plain, but I actually rather like a fruity flapjack. So all I've done is I've just mixed the fruit through the porridge oats. Okay, now these are just standard porridge oats, obviously not ready break. I mean ready break, teeth in pain. Ready break has its place, but that place is not in flapjacks. So I'm just going to let this melt and then we'll come back and see what's happening. Right then, everything has melted together and I am actually at the moment just stirring it to make sure that the sugar has dissolved, and it has. Now at this point it is really hot, so be very careful. I can still feel a little bit of sugar at the bottom of the saucepan, so I'm going to just leave it another few seconds. Right, that's done, and now what I shall do is bring, oh gosh, no, we're going to have to come this way, is bring the melted melted sugar, syrup and butter over to the dry goods, and I'm just going to add them in. I mean, you can hear how hot that is. Oh, it smells rather good. Okay, so pop that pan straight into a bowl of hot water, hot soapy water, and just mix all of this to make sure that everything is covered and therefore it will stick together. Right, so there's our scrummy flapjack mix. So all that I need to do now is pop it into the tin. Get a scraper so that I get everything, because baking's a science and we do need to make sure that we have everything in there. Bless you, Steve. Right, and then we're just going to pop it into the baking tray and flatten all the top out. So get it into the corners. Get it as flat as you can, and then you pop it into the oven, as I say, that's preheated to 150°, for about 40 to 45 minutes. So I'm just going to pop that in. And we'll ask computer, set timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
And that's it. That's all I have to do now until 40-45 minutes is up, and then we'll come back. Okay, then the timer has just gone off. I did have to set it for another 5 minutes because it was still a little bit wobbly. So let's take a look and see if it needs to come out. I think so, because some of the fruit is getting a little bit well done on top. Yeah, that's it. We're not wobbly. Okay. Oh. Okay, and can you see it? There it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to score the flapjack so that cutting it will be easier once it's cooled. So we're going to get 8 bars out of this. Right, and there we have a fruity flapjack. It just needs to cool completely, and once it's cooled I'll take it out, I'll take a photo and I will show you it. But oops, I dropped you in the flapjack. Meanwhile, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all very soon in the kitchen with Pen. Bye bye.